Afternoon, guys. Just make sure. Yep. Yes, it's afternoon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Announcer Bean. I haven't uploaded in quite a while, only because I've been doing bus timetables, train timetables. I'm mad with them type of things. And guess who I'm with today? Zach.
Yo.
Here he is. We're gonna do these type of akinator type of thing.
See my clothes on my bed and just ignore it.
I don't know. Come. Oh, closer. I'm probably gonna get. Yeah. Zach. 20 questions or.
However long it takes to find out who you're thinking of.
Yep.
Why don't you tell them who Akinator is?
Right. So mostly, Akinator is this type of app, and you can also find it on Google as well, that you can sort of think of a person, superhero, anything.
Like fictional character or famous person.
That's the one. So like, let's say I choose Mr. Bean, probably Mr. Bean. So, and then the Akinator would think of questions, and it would regenerate questions like: is your character a fictional character? Is it a male or female? That type of thing. So I think we should get started, and mostly it just guesses your character in about 20 questions. If it can't, you can press continue, and it will continue for about 16 more questions.
I just think it carries on till he gets it.
Yeah.
Basically, Kyle's going to think of a person, and I'm going to use the app to basically guess who it is. So I'm just going to basically read what Genie says, basically. Here it is.
Hang on, so just get closer. There you go. If you can just see that, guys, hang on. There you go.
All I saw was your big app.
So, so yeah, right. I'm going to think of a person.
So, famous or fictional?
I'm going to go with my favourite YouTuber, Ben Phillips.
Don't say it out loud.
What? Are you supposed to guess?
I'm going to guess using him. So I'm basically going to read out what he says and I'll try and guess it.
Alright.
Think of something different. And anyway, Ben Phillips would be obvious for me. So think of something different. Maybe think of someone that I don't know. Or maybe like a TV presenter, maybe.
What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put the person who I'm thinking of now, hopefully, if I know how to do it, in the, just here. There? No idea. So you guys know of who I am, of who I'm thinking of.
Hurry up, I've got 19 minutes in.
What, 19?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Right, got it? Right, so. Is your character a female? Alright, sorry, before we begin, you can only answer yes, no, probably, probably not, or don't know.
Okay, so is my character a female? No.
Does your character really exist? So is your person a real life person?
Yes.
Yes. So they're not fictional?
Nope.
So does your character really exist? Yes. Does your character have any children?
No.
Okay. Is your character a YouTuber?
Yes.
Does your character have a gaming channel?
Does he... gaming channel? No.
Does your character have a famous brother?
Yes.
Okay. Is your character in Team 10?
You what?
Is your character in Team 10?
Team 10? I've never heard of it.
No, probably not. Probably talking about Jake Paul. Is your character naturally blonde?
Oh.
Don't forget, you can say you don't know.
Oh, I was watching this. Is this guy blonde?
Naturally blonde. So were they born with blonde hair?
So possibly.
So probably.
Yeah.
Does your character have a parrot?
No.
Does your character live in Britain?
Britain?
Yeah. So basically this country. Does your character live in this country?
So does it involve like Wales and Scotland?
I don't know. I think so.
Put that then.
Yes. Yeah, it does. Is your character a singer?
Nope.
Does your character have a musician for a brother?
I know what.
Does your character have a musician for a brother? So is your character's brother a musician?
Nope.
Is your character older than 18?
Yes.
Is your character from Wales?
Oh, yes.
Is your character often grumpy?
Yes.
Okay. Is your character Elliot Skiles?
Elliot Giles? Yes, it is. Yes.
This person here.
I know. Right, I'm gonna do a fun for you here, guys. Guys, that is Elliot Giles, who I was guessing of. Yes.
But I prefer doing celebrities.
Right, so I'm now gonna think of someone else. Someone else now.
Like a celebrity.
Celebrity.
Like actor, actress.
Okay, I'm gonna go with...
This person right here, you'll see. You kind of...
Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Putting the thing here, if I can. If not, who knows? I'll probably put it in the link description.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, maybe link the game. So you at home can do this.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Right. Ready?
Go on.
So is your character a female?
Nope.
Does your character have a gaming channel?
No.
Is your character from YouTube?
No.
Is your character more than 40 years old? Are they older than 40?
Oh, I do not know that. Possibly not.
Probably not. Is your character real?
Yes.
Is your character British?
Possibly.
Is your character famous?
Yes.
Is your character on a popular TV show?
No.
Is your character linked to music in general?
Ooh.
There isn't an ooh button.
What?
There isn't an ooh button.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Has your character been a member of a famous band?
No.
Is your character ginger?
Possibly not.
Is your character a singer?
Possibly.
Is your character a DJ?
No.
Is your character white?
Yes.
Does your character have any children?
Do not know.
Does your character live in the United Kingdom?
No.
Is your character dead?
No.
Not getting anywhere. Is your character American?
I'm going to say yes to that.
Okay. Is your character an actor?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We're getting close now.
We're about in the middle. Is your character fat?
No.
Let's go down. Does your character play in movies?
Yeah.
Is your character on Disney Channel?
No.
Does your character mostly play in comedies?
All that is a good question. Possibly.
Has your character been in a superhero movie?
No.
Has your character played in Pirates of the Caribbean?
Possibly not.
Is your character mostly famous as a child?
I've no idea.
So when they were like a child, were they famous? Or did they get their fame like as an adult?
Probably as an adult.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Does your character live in Britain?
Nope.
Does your character have blonde hair?
I've no idea.
Probably not then. Let's do that. Is your character in the sequel?
Sequel? What's that?
Like, kind of hard to explain. Like, you know, like Star Wars.
Oh yeah.
Like, was he not? Was he like movie that comes after a different movie?
No.
No, okay. Yeah, hold on. Is your character a citizen of the United States?
Don't think so.
We didn't guess it. Who was it?
It was Mr. Hugh Jackman.
Hugh Jackman. Oh yeah, the guy who plays Wolverine.
In this film, guys, The Greatest Showman.
Want to do someone else?
Yep. This time I'll go with someone a bit easier this time. I'm gonna go with...
That'll just be obvious.
I'm gonna go with... My hand's hurting as well, never mind. Okay, go on.
Okay. So is your character a male?
Yep.
Is your character from YouTube?
No.
Is your character British?
Probably not.
Is your character real?
Yes.
Is your character famous?
Yes.
Is your character more than 40 years old?
No idea.
I don't know. Is your character American?
Yes.
Is your character a wrestler?
A what?
A wrestler.
No.
Is your character an actor?
Yes.
Is your character on a popular TV show?
No.
Has your character been in a superhero movie?
No.
Does your character have a six-pack?
Oh, good question. Think so, possibly.
Is your character a porn actor?
No.
Is your character in the... Sorry. Is your character in the Fast and the Furious?
I never watched that, so I don't know.
Probably not. Does your character use guns?
Possibly not.
Does your character live in the United Kingdom?
Nope.
Is your character white?
Yes.
Does your character mostly play in comedies?
Yes.
Does your character have blonde hair?
Possibly.
Is your character said to be a hot guy?
Yes.
Right. Is your character a singer, or does he work with the singer as a songwriter, producer, musician?
I think he's a singer.
Okay, so
Actually, he is, yes. He's a singer.
has your character ever worked with Britney Spears?
No.
Oh, it's been that long. Oh god. Is your character from an Undertale AU?
What's that?
No idea.
Probably put no then.
Has your character recorded any albums?
Oh, that is a tricky one. I'm gonna say... God, it is a good question, that one. Yes.
Is your character still singing?
Yeah.
Is your character a pop singer?
Think so.
Has your character been a member of a famous band?
Nope.
No. Is your character a rap singer?
Nope.
Is your character the main character of his movie?
No.
Does your character have curly hair?
Nope.
Is your character Charlie Puth?
Nope.
No, okay. Has your character ever made a song with Charlie Puth?
Nope.
Does your character have long hair?
Possibly.
Is your character a citizen of the United States?
Nope.
Is your character a rabbit?
No.
Has your character died?
Nope.
Is your character South American?
Don't think so.
Is your character linked to Justin Bieber?
Nope.
Is your character an adult man?
Yes.
Was your character born in the United States?
Yes.
Does your character have children?
No idea.
Is your character currently in a band?
Nope.
Question 42. Does your character come from England?
No.
Has your character made a career as a solo actor? Singer even. Let me start again. Has your character made a career as a solo singer?
I've no idea.
Is your character a female?
Nope.
Does your character come from the internet?
Yes.
Is your character Australian?
No.
Is your character a YouTuber?
No.
Is your character linked to music in general?
I think, yeah, possibly.
Is your character linked with metal music?
The what?
Metal music.
Metal? No.
Is your character blonde?
No idea.
Probably not. Well, wait, come back. I've got the blonde, don't worry. Is your character a DJ?
No.
We're on question 52. Has your character played for the Sydney Roosters?
No.
Has your character ever been in a movie?
Yes.
Is your character's gender female?
What?
Is your character's gender female?
No.
Lost that twice already. I've already begun with he's a male. Is your character a human being?
Yes.
Does your character play in movies?
Yes.
Is your character a singer?
Yes. It's close now.
Is your character Irish?
Possibly not.
Does your character appear in a dance movie?
I've no idea.
Is your character currently more than 50 years old?
No.
Are they older than 50?
No.
Was your character famous thanks to a musical?
You what?
Did your character become famous from a musical?
Yes. Close now.
Has your character been in something produced by the Disney company?
No.
Is your character linked to Pitch Perfect?
No.
Is your character from a musical?
Yes. Close now.
Nice. Does your character wear glasses?
Does this? No.
No. Is your character a guitar player?
No.
Transform Dungeon. Has your character been into music for a long time?
Yeah.
Oh, Combat Dungeon. Is your character in Pitch Perfect 2?
No.
I wouldn't be surprised if he gives up. Is your character from Deviant Art?
No.
My phone's on 10% here. Is your character fat?
No.
Is your character married with children?
No.
Oh. Is your character in Les Miserables? You know that French musical?
Les.
Miserables. I have no idea how to pronounce it. It's like with Hugh Jackman, Russell Crowe, Amanda Seyfried. It's a musical basically.
Don't know. Possibly not.
Probably not. Is your character Ginger?
No.
Has your character played in horror films?
Don't think so.
Probably not. Can your character be seen on Nickelodeon?
Oh, that is a good question. Possibly not. Don't know.
Don't know. Question number 76.
76.
Has your character already played a high school student? So in one of their films, have they acted a role of a high school student?
Yes.
Ooh.
Close now.
Is your character in one of the leads in High School Musical?
Yeah. From what I know.
Is your character Zac Efron?
Yeah.
That took forever.
Finally.
And I think that's enough because my phone's almost dead.
Yeah, anyway guys, I've got to finish this video now because we've been going for about 18 minutes now, or probably about 20.
I'm not surprised.
Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like me to do next time. Thank you to Zach.
Thank you to Akinator.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll put the link to the computer game on...
Or you can find it online.
Yeah, online. I'll put it... you know what, I'll put the link on it. Easily. And subscribe if you're new, because, well, you just don't want to miss out on any of the good stuff. I will try and upload more often if I can. Have a good one. Goodbye.